Welcome to New Choice. Today we are going to learn some Malayalam words with the symbol Irattapulli and their English meanings. Kai, hand. Kaigaryam, using. Kaigottuga, clap. Kaikuli, bribe. Kaikunye, infant. Kaigachaka, pineapple. Kaithari, handloom. Kaithodil, handwork. Kaithoku, piston. Kaipada, handwriting. Kaimuttu, elbow. Kaividuga, to give up. Kaiviral, finger. Kaivilangu, handcuffs. Kaivella, palm. Thaichedi, seedling. Thairu, curd. Deivam, God. Naipunyam, skillfulness. Nairashyam, disappointment. Paidal, baby. Maidanam, open field. Maitri, friendship. Vaigarigam, emotional. Vaiguneram, evening. Vaikol, straw. Vaidyan, physician. Vairukkallu, diamond. Vairi, enemy. Vaishamyam, difficulty. Vaivahigam, matrimonial. Shaishavam, infancy. Shaili, style. Sainigam, military. Sainyam, army.